Hi guys, hello, welcome back to Rosso Model channel. How are you today? Part number 4. Part number 4 guys. Yes, and I have a wonderful tip for you. In this part, in this part we will do the decals and also the clear coat. I use a 2K clear coat, amazing clear coat. I use it most of the time. I will try to mix a different clear coat, but now for this project we will use zero paint. Yes, and also before we will shoot the clear coat we will use decals on the doors. I use the GT3 RS, and I want to talk you about this a few words for the people that all the time put the decals before the clear coat. Guys, I usually do it because I smooth all the body. I sand all the base color that I want to put the decals, because if I will not sand it, it will be not a flat place. It will be you will create a silvering situation, and this why, because the surface is not flat and you have water inside under the decals and it's stuck there and it's create a silvering on the decals. So stop the arguments. Okay, stop it. Listen to me. Before the clear coat, verify that your body smooth. After the base color, verify that the body smooth. This is why I do the wet sanding for the primer, and this is why I sand little bit also the base color, and then I will not get the silvering situation. About the people talk about this all the time. Put the decals before, put the decals after. Believe me, it's work. We will see it. We will do it now together with me, guys. I hope that you enjoy. After that, we will do the clear coat today, guys. Today, the clear coat. So let's start. Enjoy the video. Let's put the decal in the water, and we will talk about it, and I will show you how I do it. And I hope that you enjoy, guys. Let's start. Okay, so guys, yes, we can start about putting the decals over there. As you can see, I want to put the GT3 RS decals, the black one, over there. So what we will do first, it will remove it from all the big piece. I take a scissor and I will cut it very slowly. Okay, and I will put it in the water. I have here water. Okay, and we will let it flow a little bit. One thing that I want to imagine, I already make decals over there on the spoiler of Porsche. It's like the original car of the owner, so I make it. It's a custom decals. So first of all, what I love to do, it's put little bit microset. I open it, take some Q-tip, dip it in the microset, and remember the blue one, okay, and put over there little bit for the decal. It will be awesome. The decal is supposed to sit over there upper the door panel over there. As you can see, what I will do, I put it like that over there, and we will see if we have a silvering. This is a flat area and it's awesome. Let's see if the decal ready. If she moving, yes, it's moving. So let's take it over there. Let's take one of them and verify it if all look okay. Yes, I need to play with my T-tweezer that they can hold it and put it over there. Okay, after that, play with your finger, guys, to the right place and the right shape that you love and want. Okay, everybody see what I'm doing? It's supposed to sit perfectly. Awesome. You can remove the water and start play and remove the unnecessary water over there and verify this is be okay for you guys, for the people that love to do it like a pro. So do it like a pro, yes. Awesome. Do you see it, guys? Everybody okay? Do you feel fine today? Do you miss me? I miss you too. Okay. I have something under, so I will flip it. I will take little bit water and flip it and see what is it, because it's very important to see if you have anything below. Yes, it looks like I have something, so I will flip it and see what is it. Let's see if now it will be okay. Remember, you can play with the decal before it's cured. It's easy to play with it. And now it look okay. Yes. Okay, bring it to the place that you love and feel it's in the place like that. Remove all the water, guys. The water is create the silvering situation. Okay, so before you get it with air dryer, verify that the decals sit perfectly and you are happy. Okay, everybody see what I'm doing? Some people hold from one side and remove it because they afraid that the decal will move. It's also good things to do, but remember to remove all the water. If you do a clear coat and after that the decals, so you never have any problem. As you can see, I not get any silvering on this decal and it's fantastic. Okay, now let's eat little bit the decals. I will remove it little bit. Yes, my baby, she cried, she miss me. You hear it? The best music ever. She want to hit. Okay, little bit more heat. Perfect, guys, this is perfect. One thing that you can do is, do you see the panel line over there, the panel line over there and also over there? What you can do is take a knife, a sharp blade, replace this blade, put a new one, guys, and cut the decals in the panel line. Okay, as you can see over there, I get inside and start cutting. Okay, awesome. Okay, and after that I dip little bit in the microsol. Yes, this is the microsol, and put in the place, and the decal will bend inside. Okay, and then you can hit it little bit. This is all the process, guys. This is all the process. Now it will create a very realistic look. Okay, do you see it? Everybody understand? Thank you very much, Yanni. We understand it. That's good. So now enjoy the music. We will prepare everything and we will shoot the clear coat, and you will enjoy to see the end result. I think on the next part I will reveal the end result of the clear coat. Just see what I'm doing. 3 layers, mist coat, let it dry for 10 minutes. After that mid wet coat, and after that fully wet coat, and that's it. Let it dry, put it on the plastic bag, on the plastic box, and that's it. You will ready for tomorrow for the polishing, and I have wonderful things to show you on the polishing on this car. Okay, so get ready. I will put the other one and play with it and make it ready. See you soon, guys. So yes guys, as you can see, after the trailer I sit the model on the table and put a box, plastic box, a clear plastic box. I can see everything, and after one day I can start polish it and play with this amazing model. As you can see, I do it many times, and I also want to say a big thank you for the people that watch it again and again and again. We enjoyed this project, I love it so much. I think it's amazing. We will talk about it, and I will give you my tips about the polishing. We will choose the parts and we will polish it together. I hope that you enjoyed today. Not a very long video for the people that don't have time and want to see fast. I explain you once and I explain you twice. In this channel we do things like a pro. Each step give attention, and I want you to learn how to make it right. So see you next time, next Friday with the polishing steps. Enjoy. Bye bye. Awesome Model Channel.